Hi everyone, my name is Calvenn Starre. I'm the founder and COO of Living to Be, and I want to teach you today how to make money with Living to Be. And I've drawn out a little bit of an example here and kind of walk you through this so that you can understand how easy it is to make money with Living to Be. We're going to start off with Jen. She's going to go in and she's going to start her business, and she's going to get started with the skincare package, the complete package, which is $5.99, right? And it has a point value of 450 points. The reason the point value is important because that's how we base everything on the compensation plan. And at 400 points, you actually open up the first order bonus, which is where, when you're first getting started out in your business, that's where a lot of your money is going to be generated from. So she starts out at 450 and she goes out and she sponsors her first two people, which are going to be Jill and are going to be Pat. They're both going to come in at the $5.99 package, and they're both going to have 450 points. And that breaks down to our first order bonus on our first level, which is going to be 30%. So the fast start bonus for that is going to be $135 that she's going to earn for both Jill and for both Pat. And then one of the key components of our compensation plan is the VIP maker and the VIP maker bonus. And as her sponsor, Jen is going to help Jill and Pat both go out there and sponsor two new people into her business to get her going and generate that excitement and that enthusiasm that comes with building your business. And so Jill's going to go out there and she's going to sponsor Susan. Susan's going to come in at 450 points as well. And what happens here is that Jen will actually earn on her second level of the first order bonus, which is going to be a 10%. So she's going to make an additional $45 off of that. Then Jill's going to go out and sponsor John. John's going to come in at a 450 point value package as well. And Jen is actually going to make a $45 first order bonus on John. And then she's going to come over here and she's going to help Pat do the exact same thing to become a VIP. So she's going to go out and help Pat sponsor Kim, who's going to come in at 450 points. And Jen's going to earn that $45 first order commission. And then she's going to go help Pat sponsor Alice, who is also going to come in at $450. And she's going to help Alice do that. And because of that, she's going to earn another $45 in commissions. Now, what's great about that is that when Jen helps Jill sponsor her two people, Jen is going to earn also the VIP maker bonus, which will give her a $40 bonus for helping Jill become VIP. And she'll also earn it on Pat, and she'll earn another $40 for helping Pat become VIP. And that's kind of the simplest way to explain how to build your business with Living to Be. And what that does is that begins to add up, right? We've got a $135 first order bonus for Jill and for Pat. So we've got 135, 135. And then she's got two VIP maker bonuses. So Jen's going to earn another 40 and another 40. And then we go down to that next first order bonus on her second level, and she's got another $45 here. And another one here for John. And then she's got one for Kim and for Alice as well. All total, that adds up to $530. So just by helping two people that she's personally sponsored, Jen has gone out there and almost earned her product for free already. So she's earned $530 just by helping two people get started the right way to build her business. And then I'm going to go down here into our Fast Start Momentum bonus. This is one of probably my most exciting bonuses with Living to Be because it's for 6 months. A lot of companies do it with just a month, and they say, well, in your first month, go out there and get some business going, and we'll bonus you for that. We actually do it for 6 months. And the way the Fast Start Momentum bonus works is that we take the personal volume of Jen, right, which is 450 because that's what she came in on. And then we take the first level of the people that Jen has sponsored. We take Jill's and Pat's volume, both at 450 as well, which totals 1350, I believe. Yep, 1350. And if you understand our Fast Start Momentum bonus, we have 3 different levels. We've got a 500-point level, a 1,000-point level, and a 2,000-point level. At the 1,000-point level, Jen is going to earn an additional $200. So we add that over here to the system here, and we've got, Jen has made $730 by just helping 2 people get started and helping them go VIP in the business. And so she's actually made, she's got her product for free, and she's made an additional $131 profit just by helping 2 people get started in the business the right way.